What's happening, guys? So today I'm gonna be in London. What a better place to do a food vlog. So I'm going for my train now, which train will be in like the next hour. My brother's already shown me a place that's, I think it's near King's Cross, that's vegan. So I'm gonna try that place out and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with. Yeah, so my train's in an hour's time. Take me a couple of hours to get down there, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I'll be working with, and then yeah, I might even do 2 separate food vlogs if I have the time while I'm down there. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I just got off the train now, so I'm in King's Cross in the station. So before anything else, it's getting something to eat first. So yeah, got here in the right time. But yeah, so I'll see you man in a bit. So this is where I'm eating today.
Oh yeah, because you have to watch them. He doesn't watch them. It's just
Let's choose one, eat, and then
the 15 weeks of back
yeah. I think so.
I think so.
I think he's
Right, so I ate at one vegan place already today. Now I'm going to eat another because personally, didn't really rate the place that I ate. I expected it to be better than this. So the option, this place here, or this Temple of Satan, which is down, further down. So I'm going to look at this menu, see what they've got, and then decide from there. This is what we've got. I do think that I'm in a fast food mood though. Well, that's just that. Yeah. So I've opted for Temple of Satan instead, or Satan, not the actual devil, which is further down here. I've ate at one before, but the one I ate at permanently closed down. The one I ate at permanently closed down. So this is the other one in another location that I'm looking at eating at. So it's somewhere on here. I'm not quite sure exactly where. But no, that's not that, I don't think. It's up here somewhere. Turns out that I walked past the place, so I'm walking back down now. I don't know how I missed it. Oh, yeah, it's next to that place there. Yeah, must have been in my own world, but yeah. But looking forward to it. See you guys in a bit. Yeah, right there. Walked past it. Walked right past it. Yeah. Right, so this is what I've got. Mac and cheese, burger, I've got the fries. Oh yeah. And then I've got the milkshake as well. Yeah. And I've got this as well. So yeah. Yeah. This mac and cheese is really nice. Really, really, really nice. Really nice.
I think that's the reaction there of like, what to
This is what's left now.